In this video, I'll show you how to remove a profile picture on Facebook without deleting it. Sometimes you may want to remove your current profile picture but still keep the photo saved on your account. Facebook allows you to do this by changing the profile picture instead of deleting the photo. First, open the Facebook app and tap on your profile picture to go to your profile page. Once you're on your profile, tap on your current profile picture. Now tap on Select Profile Picture or choose Profile Picture. Here you'll see your existing photos and profile pictures. Simply select another photo you want to use as your new profile picture. Once you select a new photo, tap Save. Your new photo will become your profile picture, and the previous one will automatically move to the Profile Pictures album instead of being deleted. This way, the old photo stays saved on your account and you can still view it anytime from your albums. And that's it. That's how you can remove a profile picture without deleting it on Facebook. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful tech tutorials.